this is Julie with You to Be Healthy Again, and today I'm coming with a quick tip on our Liquid L laundry bottle. And my tip is how to open it. And you're probably wondering, why do I need a tutorial on how to open a bottle? Simply, we have a lot of members and customers who face physical challenges, and because our bottles are shipped, they come with a little seal. And this seal is really a tough seal to get off, especially if you're having any type of physical challenge. So I wanted to share with you real quickly what I do. And it's very simple. I mean, if you try to peel this off, it's really tough and break whatever nails you might have left. So I'm going to show you real quick on what I do. I just take a pair of scissors, poke. It's usually not this hard. Poke in the center, and I just pop it right off. And there you go. Very simple. Put the little squeeze bottle back on, flip it up, and you're ready to go. Okay, I hope that helps. And if you have any more questions, as always, please get with us, and we'd be happy to help you any way we can. Enjoy your wonderful fresh laundry concentrate that gets clothes clean, or if not cleaner than those toxic store brands, without poisoning your family or the environment. And it saves you money at the same time because it's so super concentrated. You don't need as much. All right, you guys have a great day.